I just got it. I have a feeling this is gonna be a little tricky, but we're gonna give it a try. This one that I got on Amazon brings the ice tray and the little scooper, so cute. And it brings 4 little ice trays. Oh, I'm gonna go brew the coffee and I'm gonna let it cool. And then I'm gonna pop them in here and freeze them overnight. I let it cool down for a little bit. It's still a little hot, but it's fine. We're gonna work with it. So it says all you do is you take the top part of the tray off and you fill this, and then you just put the top on and any like excess comes out through the little holes. All right, I hope that's enough. I'm gonna do the rest of the trays and freeze them. All right, so they're going in the freezer overnight. We'll be back to check on them in the morning. All right, so it's the next morning and I just took the ice cube trays out of the freezer. Let's see how they turned out. Put them in the little tray that it came with. Let's see. I think it worked. This has to twist. It worked. Oh, this one came out a little bit better. They come out super, super easy. And that's how many I got from 3 trays. Let's make iced coffee. Oh, no, no. ¿En serio? Today I am making a pomita. Coffee. This is such a good idea. Just adding a little bit of whipping cream. Let's taste it. No, forget it. This is amazing. Amazing.